In creating video lectures, it is very easy to lose track of your discussion. Apart from the script, you also need to work on the flow of your videos to make them comprehensive and cohesive within 6 minutes. Please remember that video lectures are effective when they are short to allow viewers absorb or digest the concepts without the problem of loading them with too much information. Also, when making video lectures, you may have one topic per video, or 2 to 3 series of videos if the topic necessitates more discussion time. Now, I will share with you the standard elements of a video lecture and the easiest format you can apply when making one. Let's start with the elements. First element is a disclaimer. Disclaimers are useful when you do not want your viewers to share your videos publicly without your permission. Using disclaimers may actually protect your resource from any form of infringement. It is recommended that you flash your disclaimer either in the beginning or towards the end of your video in 15 to 20 seconds. You may state your disclaimer just like this. Second element is a title. Titles are helpful to let the viewers know about the content of your video. This is especially helpful when you already have series of videos and your viewers would like to keep track of the videos they have already watched and those that they haven't. Flash your title in 3 to 5 seconds before your hook. Third element is a hook. The hook is a primer that will allow your video to grab the interest or attention of the viewer. Start your video with a scenario, a description of a data, a historical fact, a question they can ponder on, or an anecdote that will exemplify your concept. Then, bridge it to the objective of the video. This way, viewers will also be able to deductively make connections of your hook to the topic by the time you transition your discussion into the core concept. You can do this in 30 seconds. The next element is the discussion. The challenge of discussions would usually be its longevity and scope. How long will the discussion be and how wide will the scope be? Make sure that you have focus in your discussion by revolving around only one topic. Your core discussion should be no more than 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Within that duration, you can include defining important terms, expounding of concepts by explaining it further, and exemplifying or contextualizing the concept in a practical and simplified approach, such as showing a data or sharing an experience. The final element is the closing. You may end your video with a brief summary or a short synthesis, a realization, a takeaway, or a reflection question that will enable them to reflect further on the topic. The closing is as vital as the introduction because an effective closing should let the viewers take further action to learn more about the topic by themselves. You can close your topic in 30 seconds. So, in a nutshell, this is the order of the elements and their suggested durations. I hope you find this video helpful in your journey towards creating your own video lectures. And I also hope that the format I shared with you will significantly improve your workflow by the time you already put everything into practice. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.